Hinge repair on Acer Travelmate P214-52 laptop. Thank you to Michelle for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for Hinge repair is a thoughtful and practical decision that ensures the issue is addressed with precision and care. Professional technicians have specialized training and experience, allowing them to accurately diagnose the root cause of the Hinge problem and provide a durable solution. They utilize advanced tools and high-quality replacement parts to restore your laptop to optimal working condition, maintaining its structural integrity and extending its overall lifespan. Attempting to fix the hinge on your own or relying on unqualified repair services can lead to improper repairs, which may cause additional damage to the screen, casing, or internal components of a laptop. This could result in higher repair costs down the line or even render the device unusable. By choosing a professional repair service, you also gain the peace of mind that your device is being handled with care and expertise. Furthermore, professional shops often provide warranties for their work, giving you confidence in the quality and reliability of the repair. Investing in professional Hinge repair is a cost-effective and reliable way to protect your laptop and ensure it continues to perform as expected. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your Hinge repair too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.